Okay, how to install WordPress quickly, easily, and simply using WP ToolKit, available if you're a business or a premium subscriber to WP Pro A to Z host. So what you're going to do first off is you're going to go in and you're going to go into and log into your account at WP Pro A to Z host. Go click on your services and then go find the domain that you're going to want to install this on. We're going to be putting it here, and so what you want to do is click on it, and from here you can easily get into your cPanel. If you've got the email you received when your account was created, you also have your cPanel access information there. So to quickly and easily get there, just go click on login to cPanel. It takes you and logs you right into the cPanel for your domain. Now currently we have this site, as you can see here. When we go back up here just a moment, back up for a second. Okay, we back up. See, if we click on the domain, we click on it. Currently we have nothing installed on this domain right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly and easily install WordPress. So once you're logged into your cPanel, in the left hand column you'll see WP ToolKit. Click on that. This will take you to the WP ToolKit area, and you can see you don't have anything installed. You can click install and it'll pop up a window for you, and it's going to ask you where it's going to install it, if you wanted to subdirectory it, your company name, etc. Plugin theme set. You can choose from multiple plugins and theme packages we have together if you want to. You can install just a base WordPress website and start your own. We do have a recommended WordPress using Elementor and base plugins using the Elementor plugin and the Elementor theme. So this is what we're going to install here. You can choose your version of WordPress to install. Always install the latest version. That's always the smartest thing to do. Choose your username and password for the website you're going to log into, and we'll be right back after before we come in and change that, because I'm going to change all that information to something usable for me. You can come in here and adjust your database username, password for the database, etc. This I'm going to go modify and change here in a moment. So create the password, and then you can edit the automatic update settings, and I highly recommend you do this. What you want to do is you want to either change it to no for automatic update or only minor security. Minor security is the best. Never set it for all minor and major because problems occur. Update plugins, leave that to defined individually unless you're on the risky mode and you want to let them automatically update whenever they come down the pike. Could be dangerous. I've seen lots of things break. Update themes automatically, again, defined individually. So I'll be right back in a moment. Okay, I've modified all those things up above to what they need to be, and we're going to just click install, and it will start installing it for you. And you can see down here in the corner, installation task going on, and we'll come back after it is all fully installed. Okay, it is now completely backed up or installed, and it gives you an option here to start installing plugins or no thanks. I would say no thanks. If you click install plugins, it's going to take you to another page to start installing plugins. Experiment with you like, but it's much easier. Just go no thanks. And then it comes up and it says it's all complete here in just a moment. Well, what it's doing now is it's installing that set of all the plugins that we chose to have install. So I guess the option there is gives you you can install additional plugins that you think you might need. But for the most part, just go with the set or go with a blank slate. And then wait for that to be completed. And once that's completed, you can then log into your site. There we go. It's all completed now. And you can hide that window there. And what you can do, real quick and easy, you want to go into your website and go click here, open website, opens it in a new window for you, shows you your archives, you're all set up with a website. Whereas we had nothing before, and now we have something. So other things you can do to it, you can quickly and easily pop right into the administrative area. All you got to do is click on this login button here, and it'll click you in, grab some credentials, and it'll log you right into your site. Really quick, easy, and boom, you're in there, and you can go in there and start setting everything up that you need to set up in your WordPress website. And that is all there is to it, to installing WordPress at WPPro-A-to-Z-host.com. So check it out. Come and see us, visit us if you're looking for a home for your WordPress website, or you're already got your home here. All right, thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.